Learn how to add a shopping cart feature to your Canva website with this step-by-step guide. First, select your project from the Recents tab to open it. Then, access the Elements panel to explore new design features, and click in the search field to find a shopping cart element. Next, type in your desired element, such as shopping cart, and choose it from your recent searches. Then, select a shopping cart icon that matches your site's style. Now, check Magic Recommendations for smart suggestions, and open Shopify. Select the online store channel to help connect your cart with selling features. Now, open the online store by clicking View Store. Copy the store URL from the browser address bar, paste it where needed in Canva, and close any extra tabs to keep your workspace organized. Next, return to Canva and then click the More Options menu and select the link option. Paste your Shopify store link into the field, then click Done to save it. Finally, our shopping cart has been set up successfully. Now, if we click the shopping cart link, we'll be taken directly to our Shopify store. You now know how to add a shopping cart to your Canva website.